Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a lovely day and enjoying the sunshine. I am here to show you another very interesting product, which is the Makins Professional Clay Tool Set. Now, I know what you might be thinking, why is a cake maker using something that was originally intended for clay? Well, as it turns out, this can come in very handy for cake decorators as it can allow you to create some amazing textures and effects on your cakes. It's a 27-piece pack and each tool is multifunctional. They're really great for stamping, marking, texturing, cutting and even branding. I'm going to give you a quick demo now and show you what each one can do. You get two of the assembly handles in the pack, and then you've also got two of the assembly heads which you need for some of the tools. So I'm just going to put one of those into the end of this one, and then there's some tools which just go directly into the end like that. Another thing that I've just realised is that the case comes with these little plastic pieces which you can just slot into place to store all your tools, which is great if you're a neat freak like me. Full set of tools. As you can see, they can be used in a variety of different ways. It can sometimes be quite difficult to get the effect that you want on cakes using standard cake decorating tools. So you can see how these would come in very handy, particularly if you are into modelling with fondant. I really hope you enjoyed this little demo. If you want any more information on the tools and exactly where you can get them, I'm going to link it all in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!